Beach nourishment is a method to protect a shoreline. So we have a lot of erosion issues on the coast, and beach nourishment is an option to do. It's a soft shoreline protection measure that we use rather than a seawall or any kind of breakwater structure or hard armoring. There are two methods for beach nourishment that we typically use. It's either offshore borrow areas that we will dredge and place sand on the beach, or we will have an inland sand source that we will basically truck haul to the beach. We are a great company to use because we have the absolute best expertise. I joined this company because I know that I have mentors that have over 30 years of experience in marinas and beach projects. So I'm learning from the best of the best. Mentorship is a really big deal at our company, and we just have the best people working on these projects.